Okay people, we got this third brake light assembly on this 02 Subaru Outback. I'm going to show you how to remove it. All you're going to need is the 8mm. So first you're going to take these two out right here. Okay, next you're going to take those two out right there. There's one right up in there. There's two right there, there, and there. One right there, one right there. And then these two right here. I think I may be missing one, and yep, it is right there. So to remember, there's two on the edges, both edges. There's two on this side, two right by the lock, two in the middle, two over here, and then two right there. From there you're going to want to close the latch, and kind of work this out. Be really careful, because if you do it wrong, you're going to crack it and ruin your assembly. So I'm going to do both sides first, kind of get it going. Okay, from there, you just kind of pull out, give it a little wiggle. And that's how you do it. Be quick.